you wanted to guarantee that you're going to absolutely hate your developer career, you should definitely start with just prioritizing work over everything else. Don't touch the grass, don't go outside, don't go see your friends, don't hang out with your family, hell, don't even text them, because climbing that corporate ladder is the most important thing for you to do, because you should be working 24/7, as many hours as possible, because climbing this ladder and ditching everything else is the most important thing for you to do. You gotta make that money, right? And let's be honest, money is clearly the only way to have a long-lasting legacy that's actually worth working for. Oh, and you already know that you're going to be working on the weekend, so it. Push the prod on Friday. It's not your problem anyways. Secondly, if you really wanted to build a career that you are absolutely going to hate, you should adopt and embrace the I know everything mindset. This is the mindset that's gonna look best in front of all your managers. Like, you don't need to learn new technologies. You're already the expert in yours. You don't need to take any advice from senior developers because shit, you got ChatGPT and you're a 10x developer, so you just copy and paste and move on. So you're totally safe to just assume that you've learned everything and that you know it all there. And that getting new certifications or taking courses and going out and speaking with colleagues at conferences is just a waste of time. And to be abundantly clear here, you should not get out of your comfort zone. You don't need to. You don't need to diversify your skill set because you're gonna climb the corporate ladder just fine. Point number 3 to guarantee that you're absolutely going to hate your career is to fully isolate yourself from your team and your other colleagues. Don't go to social events, don't go out to the bar and have that beer just to catch up, don't message them on Teams, don't say happy birthday, shit, don't even go to your damn stand-up. Because I mean, let's be real, it's just all a waste of time and you're supposed to be writing code. You don't need to update the status on your Jira ticket, you don't need to tell any of your teammates what you're working on or how fast you're working or how slow you're working. They don't need to know. You just need to keep your head down and keep grinding. Oh, and the biggest one here is to just take all of the credit. And if shit breaks, well, your pager duty was off, so it's not your fault. Don't show that you're available on Slack or Teams and just keep it offline. Nobody needs to message you. You're busy and it's not your problem, it's theirs. So a true sign for doing this right is when you see somebody keeping their AirPods in literally all day. Like, that is who you aspire to be. And honestly, just skip all your one-to-one meetings. It's bullshit advice anyways. It's not gonna help your career because you just need to write more code. So you can just ignore this. And the last tip to guarantee that you're absolutely going to hate your career as a developer or software engineer, whatever the hell you call yourself, is to prioritize quantity over quality. Just rush all of your work to the finish line. ChatGPT, copy, paste, move on. You're not even updating your Jira tickets, so don't even work off them. Don't write more tickets. You just clearly need to keep it all up here because that's the most efficient. And your code can't break if you don't write a single unit test, so f them. You don't need them. Your code's great because you got it off ChatGPT, so you know it's legit anyways. And rubber stamp any code review that you come across, and you don't even need to do that. No code reviews. Just push right to main because you don't need a branch. Code reviews are just gonna slow you down and you're a 10x developer. It looks good to me, ship it. Do we have more coffee? Oh, and you don't need informative variable names. A, B, C, D, you got 26 letters. Just freaking pick one and move on. And to end it out here, don't write a single line of documentation because that shit's for losers. And if you really want to guarantee that you're gonna have a career that you absolutely hate, do not click the video up here where I tell you how to get out of feeling stuck and give you real actionable advice to build a career that you love. So don't click it. It's definitely not for you. And with that, I'll see you next week. Peace.